What's up, guys? It's been a while since I put up a video. Got some updates on the CRV. So my OEM mats, as you can see here, it's not really sticking to the form anymore. So I ended up buying another set. So I got some new floor mats I want to show you guys. So this side, the OEM one, has been pretty decent. Back ones are in good condition because these really never get used. They're not too bad in condition. It's been a year since I had them. It's just the front ones, since you get in and out so much, they tend to crease up a little bit and doesn't really stick to how it used to be. So I'm gonna show you guys the new mat and do a comparison with this one. So let me show you the new one. Here's the new one from LASFIT. As you can see, these guys have the mats also. They did a lot of the LEDs lighting for the CRV. So check out these new ones. It comes in a box like this, all nicely packed. Alright guys, just pulled out the new ones. As you can see, I have my old ones here, the OEM ones here. This is the new one. You can obviously tell the difference. This one even covers your dead pedal area instead of this one just cutting over it. So as you can see from the outline, even this area comes up way more than this. This is the part that keeps bending back. So as you can see here, this seems like it's also a very different material. This is more rubbery. Even the passenger side one, here it is from a front view. So I'm excited. These look nice. So I'm gonna put these on and I'm gonna show you guys the back ones too. Back ones, like I said, doesn't get much foot traffic, so we'll put these on and let's see how it looks. Alright, so this is the passenger side. So you can see around the foot area, fits around this pretty good. There's the top part of it. Let me go show you the driver's side. Here's the driver's side. So you can see around here, it comes up and matches with this plastic part of the car. So the fit is way nicer. And the other ones, as you saw from the video, ends here. But every time you get in, it keeps getting pushed and gets the creases and crevices. So here, so you can see it fits like a glove over your dead pedal area. Goes up around there. Obviously it hooks to your thingies here. I don't know, what do you call this? And here is the back OEM one and the new LASFIT ones. So I'm gonna put these on, and here's the back one installed. There it is, guys. And here's the OEM ones. Probably gonna end up selling them. I did like the CRV part. The new ones don't say that, but these were good for the time it lasted. Alright guys, hope you liked the video, and we'll see how these mats do. Till next time.